Today I am reading medicine Kali arsenicum. Kali arsenicum is the remedy of the mineral kingdom and of the cancer miasm. The main feeling of Kali arsenicum is that the people who support the patient six cannot be trusted. They could even rob him. Like all Kali remedies, he seeks the support of the family or the group. Without them, he is weak and dependent. Yet he has doubt as to whether this same family or group is trustworthy or not. He needs his family and its harmony and integrity become his chief concern. So he become caring for the family and support them and take good care of them. He seems confident and independent. This is the cope-up stage, but the arsenic person can be anxious too. So anxious that he can become almost crazy with the anxiety. He is very edgy, and the slightest noise will shake him up. He talks even looks excited, crazy. He needs the support of his family, and yet he cannot trust them. He feels as if his family or group is out to cheat him, to rob him. He becomes extremely suspicious. His extreme anxiety makes him highly organized, fastidious, careful, and cautious. He is extremely anxious about his health too. So anxious that he cannot trust even his physician. He avoids people as far as possible. He feels lonely and isolated because he cannot trust anyone. If his family member differ in opinion or review or views, he is upset and feels he cannot trust them. He feels, I have done so much for them. How can they do this to me? But at the same time, he feels weak and needed their support. He feels he cannot be alone, so he becomes quarrelsome with his family. In the failed state, he becomes desperate to the point of suicide. Kali arsenicosm may have dreamed of being pursued. For the case of Kali arsenicosm, the reader can refer to my book The Substance of Homeopathy. Physical symptoms are very chilly, cannot have his legs and feet uncovered, aggravation at 1 to 3 am, develops chronic invertebrate skin condition like psoriasis, ulcers and malignant condition. A sudden noise throws the whole body into the tremor. Itching aggravate in warms, though the patient is very chilly. Rubrics are fear alone of being, fear people of, fear death of, frighten trifles at, kill sudden impulse to, insanity, behave like a crazy person, suspicious, violent friends to his own, a single symptom is there, and anxiety help about his, starts noise from, suicidal disposition, and Kant says respirations difficult at 2 to 3 am. This was all about Kali arsenicosm, and now I'm reading Kali carbonicum. The Kali carbonicum is a remedy for the mineral kingdom. Belonging to psychotic miasm, the main theme of the Kali carbonicum is the vital fear and reactivity. That is the scene when the person lacks the support of the family or the group. The main symptom of the Kalika is the fear of being alone and desire for the company. In the Kalika woman, there is a tremendous anxiety and fear when she is alone. She seeks to belongs to a family group so that she is never alone. This anxiety is seen everywhere. For the example, frightened at trifle, fear of being alone, startle easily from noise, from touch, dreams of ghosts, of danger, of robbers, of falling from the height, of frightful things or figures. This is strong desire for support which is seen in the carried desire for rocking ameliorated, shrieking for the aid. Her dependence on the group or family is so great that her entire life revolves around her family, the health of the family member, the integrity of her family, the amount of support she gets from her family, etc. She becomes anxious if her child falls sick or doesn't do well in exams, and she can become irritable and impatient with him. Similarly, when she feels that her husband is not supporting her enough, she becomes irritable, quarrelsome, and nagging, which is expressed as shrieking at trifles. Dream of dead relatives. In Kalikar, the shows her extreme concern for her family. One of the big aggravation factor of Kalikar would be the sickness of any member of the family, especially the supporting one. She feels forsaken when she doesn't get the support she needs. This can make her very irritable, angry, quarrelsome, shrieking at the trifles, dream of quarreling with the dead relatives of dead person as if they were alive and quarreled with her. This is taken from Encyclopedia. Company desire for yet treat them outrageously. The symptom combine three main components of the Kalika. The first is the desire for company. She wants company and is dependent on it. She is aggravated when alone, must have support and always like to be with people who support her. The second component is that she treats them outrageously, which means she always shows dissatisfaction with people on whom she is dependent. The third aspect is quarrelsome. When she is disconnected, she cannot keep quiet. She has to quarrel. Hence, we find in Fatak America quarrels with his family and quarrels with his bread and butter. In the clinic, the Kalika person can be very faithful patient, following up quite regularly and sticking to the same doctor for a long time. But the trouble begins when she starts considering the physician as a family member. Then she will become a truly dependent on these physicians. She will never leave him. But each time she comes, she will quarrel and insist that she is not better. Kalika patient speaks loudly and impatiently with the progress. They can be quite nagging with the physician as if he is not paying enough attention to them or supporting him. And they will tempt the doctor by their general sourness and extreme dependence to shirk responsibility towards them, which is similar to the origin of their state, the neglecting and irresponsible spouse. Often, a Kalika person will bring another member of his family to the clinic for treatment. Peculiar to Kalikarp is quarrelism only with family and husband and not so much with the outsider, except unfortunately with the physician. After quarreling, she can get quite tearful, weeping when telling of her sickness, and also can display more pitiful state of the begging and entreating. When her efforts to get the support she needs fails, she becomes indifferent when in society, aversion to husband, to member of the family, shows disgust, hatred, and become a sulky, repulsive. The psychotic aspect of the Kalika is seen in the feeling I am too weak to support the myself and need the company for the company of the family. Here it compared with the martyrdom in psychotic, and there are many rubrics where the two are found together. Physical symptoms are the physical symptoms accompanying the Kalika personality that I have confirmed are the weakness in the back, better by lying on the back, profuse perspirations all over the body, especially on the upper lip, desire sweats, intolerance to cold, breathlessness that makes her seats bend forward, aggravation at the 3 a.m. Rubrics are anxiety alone when company desire for alone aggravates while company desire for treat them outrageously, disconnected everything with impatient children about his shrieking aid for, shrieking trifles at, startling easily, startling fright from and as from, weeping telling of her sickness when, Kant says vertigo from the hunger, perspiration upper lips, perspiration external throat, respiration difficult at 3 a.m., mame before menses. And Fatak says never well since pneumonia, finger working with using aggravate, quarrelsome with himself, his family, souls painful. This is all about Kalika. Thank you for listening.